Okay guys, I'm going to show you daily survival code for today. So the daily survival code for today, I'm already in the daily survival mode. So the daily survival code for today is KYC. So to check it, we enter the international morse code. For the international morse code, you can download it from Google, but me I just screenshot it. So we look for K. K is dash dot dash. Okay, let me tell you. One tap is for dot, then tap and hold is for dash. Okay, so K is dash dot dash dot dash. I've gotten K. So Y is dash dot dash 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 dot dash dash. I've gotten Y. So C is dash dot dash dot dash dot dash dot. I've gotten the price for today, which is 1 million tokens. So if you like what I'm doing, like my video and subscribe to my video for more videos, because I upload videos on the daily server more school for today, for every day, and the daily combo card for every day. So thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel for more videos.